Good day, travelers. We are here in Rehoboth Beach for a Valentine's Day weekend, and we are staying at the Cambria Rehoboth Beach. Okay, this is in Rehoboth Beach, Delaware. If you've never been to Rehoboth Beach, it's a great alternative to Ocean City, Maryland, or Virginia Beach. It's gorgeous. This hotel just opened in May, and you're getting exclusive access. So, this is our room tour. We're in a one king bed pool view room. And this is probably one of the biggest hotel rooms I've ever stayed in. You start here in the bathroom, and they have a walk-in shower. The decor is given modern aesthetics. Here's the marble countertop. You have the light up a mirror. And it's a speaker. Oh, you can even connect. That's pretty cool. Sliding doors. You see me? Doop, doop. Also in the room, you have your one king bed. You do have cubbies and outlets next to your bed, so that's a plus. This bed is huge. You get a 50-inch flat screen TV, a table for office desk. You get a Keurig, ice machine, another gorgeous mirror, and 3 drawers of storage. You do have a microwave and a mini fridge that already comes with water in it. And guess what? You think this is a door? This is sliding. This is the access to your closet that comes with the ironing board, an iron, and you get freshly clean linens because this is a sofa bed. So you do have a sofa bed in the one king bed hotel suite. You do get a sofa bed that sleeps 2 people. And you do have access to a balcony with a pool view. And obviously, it's the wintertime, so the pool is closed. But during the summertime, I can imagine this is probably a lit situation. This hotel is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Stay tuned for more of our videos because we're going to show you around the whole entire hotel property. The photos do not do it justice. Again, we're staying at the Cambria Rehoboth Beach in Rehoboth Beach, Delaware. I'll talk to you soon. Have a good one. Have a good Valentine's Day, you guys. Bye-bye.